if I mentioned this, but all the gas stations in the Philippines have gas boys. I haven't seen that forever. I thought they did away with that. At least in the States they did. Roma's Seafood and Grill. Ah. I don't know what kind of fish that is. I think that's milkfish. Grill. Oh, over there. Squid. Oh, they have squid. Hello. Okay. What?
No, I'm asking less bones.
Oh, the fish. From here. Are you the owner? You the owner? Oh. Oh, that's catfish. I don't know. Get for everybody.
Yeah, I'm getting 4 of those fish.
That's the catfish, yeah? I can see the catfish.
Did you 100? I'm sorry. Did you let the 100? Ay, di ba 8 ticket did you?
Ha, ma'am. 80, 90, 100, 120.
Did you let the 120 nga ro din?
Palupat, ma'am.
Yeah.
English na dito yung kay mami. Napasubot niya.
Oh, the bigger size.
Yeah, 120.
Napay, ma'am.
J pusit.
Ay, dadakal, ma'am?
When?
Ano, ma'am?
Kanak sa napulo lang na. Ading umay mo man la ipackage di. Ipakas kayak nangakitan lang.
Ay, point mo lang na.
Manok may stack?
Ma'am, 70, ma'am.
So you got different size. You got 80, 90, 100, 120.
Mano, ma'am, 200.
So from a smaller catfish to the big one.
Ano mo na din? Ano yung sa'yo? Ano yung sir? Pag-west na ka na, sir. Or, bakit lang?
70 pesos.
Each. 70 peso each for the squid.
150.
They don't speak English. I tried.
Little bit.
They do?
Sa Balut.
I tried. They don't know.
I see.
6. 900.
How long have they been here?
Ading napayag kay dito yung pwesto yun?
Yes, ma'am. Napayagin.
Manong nga tawayan yan?
Mga 15 years na. 15 years.
15 years. They've been here 15 years.
15 years of selling catfish and squid.
Ma'am, 980.
Do you guys want to say anything?
Nothing.
Where are you located? Address?
Bakat salamat sir.
Bagat salamat. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Waving. Oh, nice.
This way.
Balut. It's the whole basket. basket of balut. Balut is that embryo. There's an embryo inside.
No more Penoy? Awang Penoy mo, ate?
Does anybody want?
No, meron lang.
Okay. So we have way more than enough food, so we're gonna hold off on that one. But let me show you what this looks like. It looks like it's a house, and it's got stores underneath of it as well too. It's not too bad, yeah. Across the street, more stores. Believe it or not, this is a store.
Kaya po, tanlon? Ano?
Is this the
Dua?
same? Is that chicken gizzard?
Ay, man.
Hello. Ay, yan na lang.
Hello.
Gizzards. Fried gizzard man na kaya? Gizzards, dito?
What
They
is that?
fried. Bati ko lang.
Is that skin?
Oh, baggies. Intestines. This is skin. Pork
Yeah,
skin.
That's gizzard, yeah. I
This is
guess-
pork skin.
This one?
Ay,
Oh,
pork o chicken? Pork. Pork. Pork intestines.
that's skin. And that's
Manang, do mga
here.
kaliente.
What's called caliente.
Caliente.
Skin, right?
Yeah.
She's the owner, yeah.
Yeah. Gusto lang mana? Nayon te inalada?
How many years?
Napayagan ang. Manang, how many years nga luto ka to yan?
Bayar ka na. The 15 is
15 years.
15 years na ba?
Mano, dahil man?
Wala. Ganyan.
Ay, dito. 100. Ay, sa Pilipina.
Thank you man ang kurang sa tainted. Tay.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Salamat po. What is your name?
Helen, sir.
And what is your shop?
It's like
What is this called?
Tulad yung food.
Balut. Full fast, ano?
Fast food here.
Fast food.
It's like a small stall store, sir.
What is the name of this?
Oh, there's this. What do you call this thing? What nga?
Ano
Ganun is
nakalagay?
10 M's ko.
Ah!
IMJ.
3 M's.
I 3 M's.
And where are you located?
It's here at we are located at Barangay 18. Barangay 18 Laoag City, sir.
Good. This street is mine. What is the street?
Don't use this. Thank you, sir.
Okay, there's more customers there, but they're really, really shy. There's no sign. I don't see any sign over here, but over here is Barangay 17, she said. So I'm only going, the only sign that I see is this sign. Barangay 17. Okay. So you must come. Hi. Okay. Over there, there's a lot more shop. This street is a little bit more emptier, but this is the building here. It's really no sign or anything, but supposedly they're really popular.
Thank you.
Supposedly she's really popular. This is where they order. It just looks like a tin roof. But no need, right? As long as the food is good. So she specializes in all kinds of innards. I don't know how she cooks it. Different versions. Stewed, stir fry. This is lungs. We ordered 2 pans of dried lungs. I don't know. They look like beef jerky. To be honest, looks like beef jerky. But I don't know. I was told that it's really good. It's one of their favorite snacks. And we ordered the skin and whatever else. Let's try it out. It kind of looks like flat, long, thick noodles, but it's actually cow skin. How do they cook this? Stew it?
Steam?
It's not steam. Stew?
Oy!
Okay.
Pressure cooker? They put them in the pressure cooker.
Boil no ba? Pressure cooker until it's tender, and then we slice it like that. And then
Seasoning.
vinegar, ginger, calamansi, sibuyas, onions.
Look how gelatinous this looks. Look at how it bounces. Oh my goodness. This is a lot of collagen. I guess so. Yes, skin's collagen. Yeah. Oh no, this looks like a lot of skin. Okay, let's just walk the nightlife. Before dinner time, let's just walk around the neighborhood. Looks like lots of people out. Lots of traffic, lots of movement, lots of action. I didn't get to walk around a lot. A lot of it is, oh, Goto. A lot of the stuff we've been doing is automotives. We've just been driving around, but wanted to walk around. Especially at night, especially this portion, looks like there's MPs, I mean military, not military, but police. I mean like full on camouflage with, you know, machine guns and everything. You got police everywhere here. They like, oh look, see? The whole squad right there. We just passed 2, and there's an entire squad. You know, for a small city, there's lots and lots of financial institutions here, and a lot of security guards are armed. And there, I don't know if I showed you, gas station. They still have gas pumpers, or I don't know, what do you call those guys? Attendants, or gas pumpers. I don't know what the official title is, but whenever you go in, they will pump the gas for you. Okay. Oh, so they have food everywhere. It's lechon. Chicken-licious. Oh, gee, look at that. This one is a whole chicken. It's spinning. The whole thing is spinning. That's barbecue chicken. Inasal. Is that called
Lechon.
inasal? Oh.
Lechon manok.
Oh, lechon manok. Ah. So it's like when it's roasted, I guess they call it lechon. Okay. Here's fried chicken. Check that out. Guess that's their version of KFC or Popeyes.
They're all the same thing.
Oh, look. Whoa. Wow, look at that. They're all the same. We just passed all three places that they serve literally the same thing. Well, you know, the one day that I finally decide to walk, it's not as busy. The past few days that we've been driving over here, I see so many people.
It's less because they have a taco.
Oh, that's it. Okay, so yeah, she just reminded me. So there's this dance competition that
Regional.
I guess it's a regional thing, and everybody comes into town to challenge each other for the grand prize of a manok. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the prize is, but no wonder. I was wondering. I wanted to come out, but okay, come on. Little stores like this are all over the place, and people would just sit there and hang out, drink. I would like to swing by McDonald's one of these days. I want to see what McDonald's is, or what the specials are in the Philippines. It's crazy. It's crazy how busy they are every day. I mean, we've been coming here. I mean, going by, and it's always been busy. See, with security guards and all. Strange. Fast food. Security guard. Okay, today is definitely a lot less people, and definitely the reason why is that dance competition, the regional dance competition, that they're all going to the town center or whatever. Yeah. Supposedly there's going to be hundreds, thousands of people, kind of like that festival that we tried to get into. It was nuts. So many people gathered in one place, inching. No, I'm not kidding, inching. Here's a Greenwich. I think it's like a Subway. Oh, it's a pizza place. Oh. Meat and veggie. Their posting is right on the side of the building. It's a pizza parlor. Something different. But there you see security guard again. Every shop has security. There's the Chow King. This is a second location. The one we went to, where we ate, that was the original location, and I was told that service there is way better, and they were really good. They were nice, like I said, they were nice, attentive, but definitely way less people today. But it seemed so much darker today for whatever reason.
You want something? Empanada?
Oh, that's blood.
Blood, intestines, skin.
Very interesting. Oh. Whatever, it's
And
good over here.
balut, you want? Mana ka
Oh.
want kayo mo? Aglak na ko na nila.
Oh, pwede mang balot.
They have sauce over here.
Wait, dito
Sorry. Looks
si
like they have all kinds of stuff. Oh, there's the skin.
Yeah.
We just had this the other day already, so.
Yeah, this is Mildred's location.
What?
Oh,
Balut?
the stand.
So there's many of the
She's
places
quite not
you go around and
friendly. She's quite.
yeah, I can see.
rude.
Not very responsive. Most of the people over here are pretty nice. When we go over there, we talk to them. They're pretty nice. Oh. Look at how big Jollibee's is here. Jollibee is supposed to be massive. So at nighttime they have all these places. I don't know if it's intestines, blood, sausages, hot dogs. I don't know about the skin. See? Remember I was saying there's so many shops that does the same thing, like right next to each other. So many. Oh. Guys, let me introduce you to an old-fashioned diner. It's amazing. It looks exactly like what I saw in the movies. Let's take a look at this. See, even down to the cubes. Look at that. Oh man, a real diner setup. Oh, it's closed. It's closed, but let me just take a peek inside. Take a look outside. A genuine diner. It's time to eat Macy's diners. Burgers, pizzas, steaks, shakes. Oh, you don't hear that often, huh? Shakes. Red Ribbons is right next to Mang Inasal. Mang Inasal is like chicken, roasted chicken like we just saw, but it's just commercialized. It's huge. It's a franchise and it's all the rice you can eat. So lots of people come here, but we are going to check out Red Robin's. Let's go look. This pool. Okay. First and foremost, the AC. I can feel it right away. Sounds like cake. And they have lots of desserts. Butter mamon. Mamon. Butter
Sponge
5-pack. This is 5-pack and this is 10-pack. And what pack is that? That looks
I
even
think this
bigger.
goes there. This is the 10.
Huh?
That's 5.
This is 10.
This is 5. 2, 4, 5. It belongs there.
Oh, somebody was nitpicking. And
This
that's
is
the
10.
10.
Yeah.
I see. This is a 2-story Dunkin' Donuts. So I guess Dunkin' Donuts is big here in the Philippines.
Oh, they're open 24 hours.
Yes, I know. I saw that. Hello. So they got all the donuts. It's literally the same thing, right? What is different in the Philippines? Can you guys see? What is different in the Philippines that you cannot see in the United States?
Yes, good evening, sir. Welcome to Dunkin.
Oh, thank you.
For takeout, sir.
No, nothing. I just wanted, I was curious. Is there anything different in the Philippines Dunkin' Donuts have that is not in the United States? Anything different?
There is no difference, sir. It's
Oh, all the same. Because I wanted to see in different countries they have different things inside, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Like McDonald's has something different. Dunkin' Donuts all the same.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see. Thank you. Salamat po.
Salamat.
So, even though it's huge, it's commercialized, it's franchised, nothing different. They don't have anything different than what the United States have. Hello.
They have to follow the same rule.
Yeah, but no, not necessarily. In different countries, they are allowed to have different stuff, and I know McDonald's does that. A lot of the places don't even have signs. Like, I don't even know what they are. You literally gotta walk right up to them and find out what they have or what they're selling. Here's the squid, guys. Smells good. Smells like squid over charcoal.
I think the head is huge.
It's good. Oh, pretty good. Catfish. I used my fingers today. I don't see any utensils. Soft. Let me try another piece. Okay, I got a larger piece of catfish. Okay. It's good. It's good. Tender. They've been around for 15 years. Pretty good. My attempt at finger food. Oh. Looks more like a sushi. Is it 2 fingers or? Oh, shoot, I forget already. 2 fingers? If it's 2 fingers, then I'm a winner. They told me it tastes better when you use your hand. Doesn't. It's the same thing. He said my hands are dirty. I just used what I know best, utensils. All right, let's eat. Look at that. Look at how spongy, fluffy. Oh, look at that. Comes right off. That's because of all that butter. Ooh. Check that out. Oh. I can't remember the last time I ate red ribbon. It's been a long time, but let's see if the Philippines is any different. Ooh. Soft, buttery, delicioso. So good. A must try anywhere in the States.